नादरीन, आप देख रहे हैं क्राइम टाइम न्यूज। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त खैसर खान, ब्यूरो चीफ क्राइम टाइम न्यूज। हर तरह की खबर से जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और देखते रहिए क्राइम टाइम न्यूज।
People are getting cheated, even getting in touch with them or without knowing them because of the cyber things or because of the various modus operandi they are using. So I think that only way to stop these frauds is to become aware. Until each and every one of us become aware of the modus operandi, then only we can stop these frauds. Otherwise it's not going to be stopped. Because I've seen most of the people who are getting cheated are our own educated. They are getting, the other day also received from an engineer, I don't know how he believed it. He says that somebody called, he was having some Tata insurance, they called him and he believed them and he sent amount saying that there is a renewal thing and he lost 1,15,000 with just a click. The other day, a doctor lost about 2.5 lakh working in a reputed in this one. So this way, the most of the people who are getting cheated are our own educated people. Because they will be thinking some or the other way, otherwise they are greedy and they are too much addicted to this social world. That's how they are getting cheated. And one thing what I found, the bottom line is greed. Everybody wants to become quick rich. They don't know what is the intention of the other person, what they want to do. If somebody comes and says that is, I am going to give you 12% of interest every day, it's impossible. The other day there was a scam which we busted called as sharing bike, sharing economy, where they almost said in 3 months it will be 1200% interest will be given. It's impossible. For an amount of 300, I think almost they said about they'll pay us 1350, 400 times. Within 90 days it is.
Being in touch with top police brass, Sajjanara Garu, Commissioner of Police, Srimati Anasuya Garu, DCP, she teams, Sri Srinivas Garu, Inspector, who is actually cyber crimes and technical, and Praveen Kumar Garu, additional DCP, and President Venkateshwara Garu, thank you very much for taking the initiative. Gandhi, of course, Ramesh Kumar Gandhi, and last but not least, without Chetan, it shouldn't have happened. So, Chetan, Rotary is, that's why we say the Rotary networking and Rotary can touch anything across the world, so not only here. And that we have proved here today, and from tomorrow onwards, I think we have one more family. I think I have made another 15 friends here, and I can look forward to their help and probably to Rotary or personal life things. Some of the things which I have told so exhaustively, and really appreciate Sajjanara Garu for his time, and also Anasuya Garu, Praveen Garu for their time. How much time he has taken to explain Rotary. You see, it's a small event for him, but he is so passionate that he must share whatever their knowledge they have with the Rotarians across the district. Probably some of them who are outside the district who are tuning in, and it has been a great occasion, sir. Thank you for sharing, and I think you give us the opportunity to interact with you in future.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And once again, I thank the entire commissionerate. I rightly said by Gandhi, the moment we came, we never felt that we were in a police commission.
Talking about cyber crimes, so this online stalking takes place on various social media sites. It may be through mails, or it may be through WhatsApp, or it may be through Facebook and all the other social media sites that are there. So when a person follows a woman, follows her activity online, and then starts harassing her, or the woman knows that somebody is stalking her online.
మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి మన ఎలిజిబిలిటీ ఏంటి అనేది మనకు తెలుసు. మనకు ఒకవేళ మనం ఎలిజిబుల్ గా ఉన్నామంటే లోకల్ బ్రాంచ్ లోకల్లో ఉన్న నేషనలైజ్ బ్యాంక్, ఎనీ నేషనలైజ్ బ్యాంక్ మనకు లోన్ ఇస్తుంది. వీళ్ళు ఇట్లాంటిది కాకుండా ఆన్లైన్ లో ఎక్కడో పెట్టడం వల్ల ప్రాసెసర్ కి మనమే అవకాశం ఇచ్చినట్టు అయిపోతుంది. అట్లనే మేజర్ ఇంకోటి జరుగుతుంది ఏంటంటే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ మనం ఎక్కడో ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేసేసినాం, ఎప్పుడో ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేసి పెట్టినాం. ఫ్రాడ్స్టర్స్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, ఆ డేటాబేస్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్కడ వస్తుందంటే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీతో ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చట్లేదు, ఇన్సూరెన్స్ బ్రోకింగ్ కంపెనీతో ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. ఇన్సూరెన్స్ బ్రోకింగ్ కంపెనీ ఉన్నాయి, ఇన్సూరెన్స్ బ్రోకింగ్ కంపెనీ పని ఏంటి? ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీకి పాలసీలు అమ్మి పెట్టడం వాళ్ళ పని. ఆ క్రమంలో వీళ్ళందరికీ కాల్ చేస్తుంటారు. కాల్ చేసిన తర్వాత నేను ఇన్సూరెన్స్ బ్రోకింగ్ కంపెనీలో ఉన్నాను, నేను కాల్ చేసినాను, ఒక రాజు అనే అతను కాల్ చేసినాను, పాలసీ గురించి ఏదో ఫేక్ ప్రామిసెస్ చెప్తున్నాను, ఆయన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపెట్టినాడు, ఆ లీడ్ నేను కన్సర్న్ బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళకి సప్లై చేసినాను, ఆయన పాలసీ తీసుకున్నాడు. అట్లా 2-3 పాలసీ తీసుకున్నాడు. వీడు అసెస్ చేయగలుగుతాడు, ఈయన గ్రీడీనెస్ అసెస్ చేయగలుగుతాడు. దెన్ ఈ ఫ్రాడ్